So this is how you use our Pesa Sure. So instead of telling people maybe to use your till number, which maybe you have sticked on the wall, maybe you can prompt them from the app, or also you can send some payment request in email, also on WhatsApp, and also you can do some fundraising. So you go to Pesa Sure. So there it is. So I've just launched the app. Yeah, so waiting for the app to open. Yeah, so right now I'm logged in. So basically what happened is you just need the client phone number, but before this you need to add your till number, your M-PESA configuration. Yeah, so I'll be hiding that, but basically you need these things, till number, and the other things that we get from the Raja and Safaricom. Yeah, so after that, if you go back to home here, so you just need a client phone number. So I'll use my number like that, and then you just type the amount that you want that person to pay you. So you just click on send payment, so that person will receive a pop-up. Yeah, so as you can see, the pop-up have been sent. So the line which I've used is in this particular phone, that's why you see this pop-up. So right now I have freezer, so I'll just say yes, and then I'll enter my pin. Yeah, so we should receive that amount. Check the amount of today here, it should change to 1, and you see the payment have been received. Yeah, so basically what have happened, also the amount have settled on my till, so it will be settling on your specific till that you had registered. Yeah, so after that, now what you do is that you can proceed. If it was a service, then you're done. If it was a product, you can go ahead and give the product to the client. So if you go to payments, you can see the first payment here, which you have just done right now. Also this one you can be able to share it in WhatsApp and so forth and so forth. So the other thing that you can be able to do is that you can come here to payment request, and here you just need a certain amount. Maybe somebody is owing you like 1k, and then the reason maybe anything, you can type maybe food or something like that. So you see this particular message here, so you can either copy this message or you can send to our WhatsApp number here. Also you can use the email, and then the recipient will be able to click on that particular link to pay you. So I'll just copy this just for illustration purposes, and then I'll go back to let me change that so that we pay. Let's just put one shillings like that, and then I'm going to copy that again, and then I'll open a browser here. So when I'm here, I'm going to paste this, and then I'm going to copy the link because it was a full message. So I'll copy the link up to, that's the end of the link, so like that. So for here I'll just paste it there, and then I'll roll it there. So waiting for that to load. So basically this is what now the client will see once they click on the link. So you see we are paying 1 bob for food. So again I'll use my phone number, so there it is, and then I can proceed. And so for that I need to use 07, sorry for that, and then I proceed with that. So clicking on pay now. So let's try to refresh that and we see. Yes, it's already sent, as you can see, but I'm going to repeat that so that you see it properly. So like that, and then there I had sent twice, so let's send another time, the last time. Yeah, so there it is, and then we say 1. Then from here we can be able to confirm by entering my pin. I'll be changing this, though you can't do anything though, like that. So once I do that, we have been able to pay, as you can see, and as you can see my M-PESA account also is ringing, so the amount again have been received. And basically that's how you can be able to use that. So for you to use the app, you need to have a subscription, and for subscription we have different subscription for small business starting from 5 shillings per day and so forth and so forth. So basically that's how you can use the app instead of maybe requesting a client to give you their phone so that you copy the code. So basically you just use this app, you prompt the client, or you send them the request, the payment request, and they can be able to pay you, and you can be able to see that in real time. Now you see we have 2 shillings for today because we had illustrated with the STK push and also with the request. So basically that's how you use our app. In case you want to contact us, you can always use this particular information which I'm showing here.